We out here. We out here. Sam is outside.
I'm out literally.
Sam is outside for real. It's raining, but things happen.
If you think about it, it's literally rained this whole summer in New York.
It has.
It's been like 85% rain, 2 hot days.
It definitely has. It's either hot and muggy and humid, or it's just raining.
It's either the calm before the storm or the storm. It's never anything after. What is after the storm?
Did you bring the today? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I didn't bring the storm. I promise you I didn't. I wouldn't be dressed like this if I was bringing the storm. I wouldn't have worn a raincoat in my rain shoes. I wouldn't have worn white sneakers. I'm sad.
I might have brought the storm. Low
It
key.
was you.
Low key. Low key.
I ain't do it at all.
I did say, do you watch The Circle? I know none of my people are going to be on it this time. It's work time for them.
Live? Oh my god.
Oh yeah. I'm sure your people are on whenever.
No. They get the notification all the time.
They'll be like, I recognize that spot. I'm gonna flood that place right now.
Right now. Where are you?
Oh, you did before? Did you watch season 5? You got the coolest person in Circle history.
Me?
Yeah.
Not me.
Yeah.
Not me. Me? Not me. Not me. I'm okay.
You don't think so? I think so.
I'm okay. I'm alright.
My first favorite person from The Circle was Seaburn / Rebecca.
Are you kidding me? I'm judging you. Alright, elaborate. Pitch it to me. Sell it to me. Let me hear it.
I don't know. So, that was last year. What was last year? Yeah. So the reason why I liked Seaburn was because I'm looking at him. He's a catfish. He's playing his girlfriend at the time. And it was just like, well, for me, if I was on the show, I feel like he was not really good at being Rebecca because she looked like more young, and I thought she would be more hip.
I think he got along far because Shuby was very gullible.
Shuby carried him along.
It did, because you could tell Shuby genuinely had like a nice connection with the Rebecca character. But yeah, he didn't play a good girl. He didn't.
I don't think he did, and I was so surprised he made it to the final table. And the funny thing is, I just watched this because I'm going to be interviewing Shuby soon. Mm-hmm. He was mad at the final table. He really was. He was trying to play it off.
You can visibly see he was disappointed.
Because when that girl, I forgot her name, the one that changed her pictures, she was a bikini girl, and then she changed her pictures and says it's the real.
Was it Ryan? I feel like it was like she had like a unisex name.
Yeah, so she switched up and was like, guys, I have to admit who the real me was, and switched her pictures to her regular size. And he wasn't mad because she was big. He was mad because she was not the person she said she was. He was very big on that in season 1. He was just like, why didn't you just come like that person? And there was like another girl.
And then for him to come back in the later season as a catfish.
I'm sure that's why they gave him that profile. They're like, we want you to work with this.
I couldn't believe it. I screamed so much.
Yeah, we're caught in rain.
Yeah, we're caught in rain. Yeah. I've never done a YouTube live.
Oh, you haven't?
Never. I always go live on TikTok.
You should try it. YouTube Live is how I built up my fan base to get my page monetized. Because I used to put pre-recorded videos. Not too many people were watching them. And then one day I just went live and just started talking. And all of a sudden I have all these viewers. And I'm like, how did that happen? Let me make sure I also get a picture so I can use for a thumbnail. If you don't mind. Thank you. Oh, you had another pose? Hey, Janelle. I'm here, as you can see. We're just waiting it out. We're just waiting it out. We're just waiting it out. I'm listening to your advice that you've given that everything is content. Wider area. Maybe if those people left that front area. You think?
Well, there's back.
That
back corner.
Back corner.
That back corner, because then we won't have to worry about people walking past us, coming in the door loud.
I think sitting here is a good idea too, because it's like then we don't have to worry about
I love out here. If the rain would just, honestly, like if the rain would just stop for like 30 minutes, 35, I think
No, I mean, I think your idea of not being across from the table is better because then it's more like,
so it's like we're having a conversation. Oh shoot, hi people, I'm sorry y'all. I'm running my mouth. I'm sorry. Y'all hear this rain? It's disrespectful. Say hi.
Hi.
So we were doing, the plan was to do an interview, but the weather had other plans. So now we're waiting because it's hitting this thing and it's aggressive.
It's aggressive.
It's aggressive. Hi SG. Oh my God. You just tell y'all. I'm supposed to put this phone over in my hair. I love you too. Hi everybody. Is it raining where y'all at or is it just raining on us? Okay. We're trying to thug it out. Trying to get some quality content out there for you. You look pretty. Thank you, Ashley. Don't get me hyped. If I would have known it was going to rain today, I wouldn't have worn a white shirt.
They definitely are.
They have not moved.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to lighten up?
It said maybe just for 40 minutes. You know, sometimes live.
I hope it lies right now.
Stop. And I have faith in it.
I feel like it will.
I mean, I said we're actually ready to go. The minute it starts with this pressing button.
We ready to go. As yeah. As soon as
we ready. TTG. You want to be my friend, Becca? Why you say goddamn? What I do?
The rain is disrespectful in Jersey too.
Well, we're supposed to be filming an interview, and everything is set up, lights, camera, literally. There's no action because the rain. It's disrespectful. Am I missing the circle? Not necessarily missing the circle. I miss my friends in the circle. Aisha was good. I'm doing an interview, but the rain.
Did you guys like hang out right after?
No, so after the finale, the next day we had press photo shoots, and then literally people were leaving from the press photo shoots flying back home. For me, I stayed until the next day, but then I got trapped in London, so it took me 2 days to get home instead of the 1 day. Gusman is home. Well, Gusman's working. Gusman's saving lives. Gusman
Oh yeah, he's a nurse now,
Yeah,
right?
he works at 2 different locations. So when I tell you this man is booked and busy, he's working hard. Hi Sarah, you love me on the circle. Thank you. Do I have beef with anybody from the circle? No, no beef.
Not even Brett.
Not even Brett. I saw Brett in LA in January. Gave him a hug. I don't got no beef with Brett. Y'all understand? It's a competition show. Like I was. Listen, this is not anything on my face. It's the shadow. I just want y'all to know. You see that? It's the shadow. I don't got no beef. Thank you, Nikki. I don't got no beef with nobody. I don't got beef with my enemies. They got beef with themselves. They don't exist to me. I don't know them. That part.
I like that.
Oh, it's raining water. This is the rain that made Noah build the boat.
Word.
Or the ark, or whatever y'all call it.
We're gonna get stuck here. We need to start building. We got some wood over here.
I ain't building nothing. I can't even swim.
I can't swim either.
I'm gonna be like, what's the shorty name? Rose from the Titanic. I'm gonna be floating on one of these ships. Every man for themselves. Yeah, I'm in New York. Thank you, Spooky Baby Bree. Thank you. NB King, I love you too. Thank you. It poured like this in Arizona. I feel like y'all needed it though, because I heard Arizona be disrespectful with the heat. Yeah, Noah. I don't know the Bible, but one of them. I'm in the city. It's good. It's good. Jesus love you and is coming back. All right. I heard Jesus.
We always get one of those.
Oh my God, the winner. Who, me? Not me. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Wait, when your face was up, I thought. Wait. What? When your face was up, I thought you was Tokyo Tony. You tried it. You tried.
My friend said, "Oh, she's cute."
Thank you.
She said, "Thank you."
You tried it. Tokyo Tony hair. First of all, I'm pale and my teeth.
Check out the kids.
Don't ever play with me.
Where we at?
Hawaii's in the building was good. China, I love you too. I do hang out with them when they're in town, but I'm the only one in the city. So everybody's in LA.
The matching.
Hi, Bevel baby. What's up? What's good? What the hell? Exactly, Raz. They tried it, Tokyo Tony. You could eat my whole glizzy with your mother's mouth. Wait, let me behave myself. Let me not. We're not doing it today. I said I was going to be better. I'm going to therapy for a reason. I said I was going to be a better person. My lashes, these are, I want to say they make every lash. I can't remember. No, on the King's night, so we let me. I know, like, I'm telling you, like, I don't see all of you, nobody wants to tell me that. Like, come on now. This is the every man in the world. Go to Tokyo Tones. How about that? Because my baby's in grade.
She was so cool on the circle. I looked. I didn't see the episode. She was gotta run.
The lashes are from Mink and the lashes. I feel like this style is better than the
Come on, Rain.
Say hi, I love you so much. This is what's the best place to go to New York? There's always trying to do. Trying to make poor decisions. Am I going to see Beyonce? No, I wish, but no, I'm not. Oh, Zoe. Okay. Hey, Zoe. What, you got it with two O's, Zoe? I'm glad you want to circle. Thank you. I'm glad too. She always looks by at lamp on. Grandma is driving me crazy. When I'm done here, I have to go meet with grandma. So today's gonna be a long day. When I'm coming back to Philly, I want to go back to Philly so bad. Philly was great.
Oh yeah.
Philly was I went to this fudge. What was the name? That was this gay bar with Raven and Rodney. What like a level up? A level something? Let me say I had it. I had it. 1414 Easy Street, and that's one. Let's see the outfit. I didn't get ready with me, but I guess I'll edit it at some point. Not the whole thing. I'll show you my day. Use my coffee. Everything is content.
Everything is
Can
content.
you see me? Boom. Starfish ones, tie-dye socks. I did myself with some grit dye. I brought this, which I'm glad, because now if it rains on me, I have to cover my kibbles and bits. Nike having the MLB store. Regular shit. Oh, girl, you really outside. I told you what the fuck was lying on my side.
Really outside. Really outside.
The ones is fire, thank you. You and Raven on Queens. Thank you. She alright. They're paying in my butt. When I tell y'all see Raven on TV, let me tell y'all, let's get the TV. Y'all both loud. Both loud. Y'all see Raven on TV, oh my god, Raven's so sweet. She's so nice. Be her friend. She be mean as hell. One time, we went into New Orleans, and Rodney, who's her best friend, he also surfers, is there, and I love Rodney to death. It's Rodney, Casey, myself, and Raven in the hotel. And I was gonna tell her all about something, right? And I was like, Rodney, come here, pull up with your fingers. And I wanted to make sure my point was expressed, because y'all know my ear sellers. It ain't ear selling the way it should. So I'm like, Rodney, come on. She was like, no fingers. Use your lips. I can read. She is stank. She is stank.
Spicy, huh?
She's let me tell you something right now. That little Pisces, that little blue hair Pisces, y'all fall for it all y'all want. Raven is my rough friend. Or one time I had like a plumping lip gloss, right? She was like, what's that, lip balm? I can never say lip balm. I'm like, yeah. She was like, yeah, because you ain't got no lips. Asshole.
Ow.
She don't care about me. That's a right though. I was gonna say something so inappropriate, but I'm about the clock app and I ain't trying to get packed up like a maleta. let me behave. I'm due for a freaking haircut. Bad. Like looking at it from your angle, ooh, I need to chop all that shit off.
It's thundering over here in the Bronx.
You talk to anyone else from the circle? I speak to Santi regularly. Tom is gonna be in New York in September.
Yeah, he is.
I can't wait to see his comedy show.
I want to go, but I want to actually talk to him. I went to Michelle's comedy show.
Why don't you come with me?
Oh, come. I'll definitely come. Okay.
Yeah. Come with me.
That is
we'll
what's
set it
up.
up. That's in September. We'll talk about the exact dates. You come.
Oh, yeah, I'm coming.
It's gonna be a event. So Tom, I
went to Michelle's show.
How was it? Where was I?
It was hilarious.
I don't think I was in the
No, so a couple of funny things, right? She had somebody on the other side named Mark, and he was a white guy. And she had me on the other side, and she was like, what's your name? She asked him his name first, and she kept saying, right, Mark? Mark doesn't think it's funny because he doesn't have enough color. Then she was like, you can't make this up. We got a black Mark and a white Mark.
Oh, no.
So every time she told a joke, every time she was like, black Mark is cracking it up. White Mark is just looking at me like he's like... And then there was this African guy in the crowd. And they were like, she was like, who are you here with? And he was like, I'm waiting for somebody. She got him to admit he wasn't waiting for anybody. And then he was like, she was like, who wants to go date this guy? And like, mad women got up.
Oh, she was being a matchmaker. Hold on, it's calming down. Oh shoot! All right, I gotta work. I'm sorry, y'all. I love y'all. Love y'all. Love y'all. I'll try to go on live later, but the brain finally calmed down that we can hear each other. So if you wrote something and I didn't see it, I'm sorry. Blame him. Not me. I love y'all. Love y'all. Love y'all. I gotta get to work. I want to see CM do. Wait, what? You want to see me do that annoying live trend? That
What's the
AI
live
thing?
trend?
She's like the lady holding the fire.
Oh.
The flat iron with the popcorn, and she's like, yum yum yum.
Oh.
I'm not doing none of that. I'm sorry. I am pushing 40. Does the young kids do that? I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I love y'all down. I make your coin. I ain't knocking nobody hustle. If you think I'm gonna sit here, ooh, Lizzie, you're dumb. You're dumb, and you need to do better. Watch
Alright,
me.
I'm off, y'all.
Don't watch me. Gotta go. Love y'all. Bye. How do I hang
You're the
up on
same
y'all?
age as me?